This is a Singer 328K. It's got a little door here with a cam location for a zigzag cam, left, center, right. Needle position for straight stitch. It's got 0 and then a width adjuster up to 4. It is similar to the 401 as far as threading. It supports twin needles and has 2 spool pins. It's got a guide up top here. Make sure we lift our presser foot. Goes around the tensioner, behind this thread guide by the tensioner, through our take-up arm, and then there's actually a guide on the side of the end plate, and then the guide on the needle bar, and it threads from front to back.